Hi guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing good. Welcome to the Learn Code Easily. So today we will solve the day 17 challenge, that is evaluate reverse polish notation. So here we have the integer, or you can say the string, that is integer, and some operator, and we have to perform the operation on that. Okay, so what it is given in the question, it is given that you have a 2 1 plus 3 star. So what is reverse polishing? So we have to perform the operation. uh, what means by reverse means the digit or the value, the operand exists first, the operator exists later. Okay, the operator exists later. So what you have to do, you have to do 2 plus 1, that is 3. Now your string will become, or you can say now your token will become 3 star. Now again, you have a multiply singer, so you will take the previous two values, and now your token will be 3 into 3, that is 9, and you have to return that particular element, that is 9. Here it is given, so here you have to take 4 is not an operator, 13 is not an operator, 5 is an operator. So you now you have seen the operator, that is divide. Now 13 divided by 5, that will be 2, so you have to take the floor value. Okay, you have to take the floor value. Now your string will become, or you can token will become 3 2 plus. Now again, this is not operator, this is not operator, this is operator. Now 4 plus 2, that is 6. So you have to go in the backward direction, in the reverse way, in the reverse direction. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now how you will solve this? So we will solve with the help of stack. So first we will take the stack here. So and if you are not getting using this data structure, you can solve this question. So there is a playlist in my channel, that is stack series, so you can access. Okay, so there I have solved approx 45 questions of stack, and if you watch the video, then you can get an idea that how you can, like, how you will get to know that I can solve this question with the help of stack. ओके, सो डाटा स्ट्रक्चर आपके दिमाग में आना चाहिए कि कैसे हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सो मेरी इजी लेवल क्वेश्चन है, मेरे अदर क्वेश्चंस हैं, मेरा स्टैक सीरीज आप उसको देखिए, आपको पता चल जाएगा कि कैसे दिमाग में स्ट्राइक करना चाहिए कि स्टैक स्टैक है. जब भी आपको लगे कि कोई ऐसी चीज़ है जो हमें इंसर्ट करनी है और इधर लास्ट या किसी मोमेंट में हमें पॉप करनी है, तो वो 99% टाइम वो स्टैक सही होगा. जैसे ये वाला क्वेश्चन ले लीजिए, आपको आपको ऑपरेशन कब परफॉर्म करना है, जब आपको ऑपरेटर दिखता है, तो मतलब बाकी वैल्यू पे नहीं करना है. सो आप इसे स्टैक में 2 इंसर्ट करेंगे, 1 इंसर्ट करेंगे. जैसे आप देखेंगे प्लस है, सो आप इसको पॉप करेंगे, इसको पॉप करेंगे, यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा 1 प्लस 2, दैट इज 3. नाउ यू विल इंसर्ट दैट पर्टिकुलर 3 टू द स्टैक. नाउ योर स्टैक have only one element, that is 3. Now you will again insert 3. As you will see multiply, then you will again pop the 2 element. Okay, now you will perform the multiply, so this will become 9. Now your stack only contains 9, and you have to pop this element and return. एग्जाम्पल और ले लेते हैं. जैसे ये वाला हो गया, 4 आपको करना है, देन 13 करना है, देन 5 करना है. जैसे आप देखोगे अरे डिवाइड आ गया, डिवाइड आ गया, तो इसको पॉप करोगे, इसको पॉप करोगे, तो 13 डिवाइडेड बाई 5, दैट इज 2. नाउ योर स्टैक विल बिकम 4 2. Now you have a plus, so you will not insert plus, so you will pop the 2 element. Now you will write 4 plus 2, that is 6. Now you will insert 6 in the stack, and you will see that there is no more element in the token, so you will pop this element, so that will become, you will pop, so it will become 6, and you have to return this. So we will apply the same logic in our coding part as well. So let's take, so first I will take the stack here. Now I will take the I, so this is 0. Now I have to run a loop, and this will go to the length of tokens. So here I will take as, okay, let tokens. Okay, so if, what I'm saying, if token of I does not equals to plus or, so I will copy this one and paste 4 times. It will be and. Now if it is not equals, if it is not equal to any one of them, That means it is an operator. What is operator and what is operand? Operand is the digits and operator is this one, plus, minus, division, multiplication. These are operator. If this is the case, then I will append simply token of I. Okay. Else what you have to do? I have to perform operation. So for performing operation, I am making a function that is perform operation. Okay, perform, FORM, perform operation. So here I have to pass the stack, then I have to pass the token of I. Now here I have to call with the help of self. Now I will make the another function that is perform op. So def perform OPER. Okay. Now this will take the two parameter, that is the stack self, then we have a stack, then we have a operator OPE operator. Okay. Now what I have to do here is so first of all I have to pop the two element. So stack dot pop. So this will give me the first element, and now this will give me the second element. Stack dot pop. Now element 3, in which I will insert what resultant. So here what I have to see here, where if operator OPERATOR, if operator is equals to plus, then what I have to do, element 3 is equals to element 2 plus element 1. Now this line of code I have to repeat 4 times, but I have to change little bit, so that I will change later. So plus, then if it is a minus, then I have to perform here minus. If it is a multiplication, then I have to perform here multiplication. If it's a division, then I have to perform the division here. But if we are storing the string value, so first of all I have to change it to int. Okay, now I have changed to int. Now we have to take the float value. So what I have to do, I have to take this operator. And one thing you need to know, that if you have a number, if I will give you an example, demonstrate you an example here. So if I write 4 divided by 3, so 4 divided by 8, so what it will give, or I will write 3 divided by 8. So we are performing this operator, we are using this operator, so this will give you 0. But if I write 3 divided by 8, now it will give me -1. If I write 3 divided by -8, it will also give me -1. But if I write -3 divided by -8, now it will give me 0 here. So the problem is, if I have a minus, but ultimately I want 0 here, because when we divide 3 divided by 8, then it becomes 0, and minus 0 is 0. So but here if we use in this manner, then it will give me -1. So that I have to take care. So for that, what I will take, -1, -2. Now it will be false. Now it will be false. Okay. Now in the divide, what I have to see, I will see if my element so what I will take, the absolute value here, because we have a -1. So if I change, I do not have to take the absolute value. If my element is less than 0, or if my element 2 is less than 0, अगर दोनों में से कोई भी अगर एलिमेंट हमारा 1 है, so हम क्या करेंगे, हम करेंगे -1 equals to 2 else false. So this line of code I will repeat again for -2 as well. So now I will copy here, I will paste here. If my -2, okay, now this will become, if my element is negative, then -2 will also be true, will become true. So here what I have to check, so I have divided. Okay, so after division, what I have to check, if my -1 is equals to true, and -2 does not equals to true, so that means what that means, एक वैल्यू पॉजिटिव एक वैल्यू नेगेटिव है, तो अल्टीमेटली हमारा एलिमेंट 3 क्या आएगा, नेगेटिव आएगा. ये सेम चीज हम करेंगे, इसका रिवर्स भी हो सकता है. इफ हमारा -1 क्या है, ये ट्रू नहीं है, लेकिन -1 ट्रू नहीं है, लेकिन -2 हमारा ट्रू है. ओके, अब ये हो गया. हम स्टैक में हम अपेंड कर देंगे एलिमेंट 3 को। अब ये इधर जाएगा, सो हमें रिटर्न क्या करना है, हमें रिटर्न करना है स्टैक ऑफ -1। क्या शायद ये आपको शायद समझ में ना आया हो, तो मैं इसको एक बार दोबारा बता देता हूँ क्या है इसका मतलब। मान लो कि हमारे पास है -2 1 डिवाइडेड बाई, ओके। सो हमने क्या किया, हमने इसको पहले एलिमेंट 1 क्या हो जाएगा, -2 हो जाएगा, एलिमेंट 2 क्या हो जाएगा, 1 हो जाएगा। जब यहाँ पे आएंगे तो हमने बोला क्या ये निगेटिव है, क्या ये 0 से छोटा है, सो हमारा -1 क्या हो जाएगा, ये -1 है, ये हो जाएगा ट्रू। बट जो -2 है ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये रहेगा फॉल्स, बिकॉज ये 0 छोटा नहीं है। सो हमने बोला क्या -1 ट्रू है, यस। क्या -2 ट्रू के इक्वल नहीं है, -2, यस। सो दिस विल बिकम ट्रू। नाउ दिस विल बिकम फॉल्स। नाउ ट्रू एंड फॉल्स विल बिकम फॉल्स, ट्रू एंड फॉल्स विल बिकम ट्रू। नाउ अभी हम अगर हम एलिमेंट को यहाँ से लेंगे, ये अलग लाइन हम यहाँ पे एक्सक्यूट करते हैं तो क्या आ जाएगा, 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 that will become 0. So now I will make 0 as a -0 and it will equals to 0. But यहाँ पे अगर हम 4 ले लो तो क्या आ जाएगा, 4 divided by 2, now that will become 2. Now but it is minus, so I will make it as a -2. So that's the thing, okay. But if I do not do this one, if I do not perform this one, if I directly divide it, if I directly divide was -4 divided by 2, so it will become yeah, it is giving me the correct one. Yeah, so that will become that will give us the wrong answer when, example मान लो if we have a 8 and divided by 3, now this will become what, this is giving me -3, but what I want here 8 divided by 3. Now I want here -2. Okay, so we are calculating in this manner. First we are performing the operation on the positive value. If it is positive, then okay. If it is negative, then I will make it as a negative. I hope this is clear. एक बार इसको रन करके भी देख लेते हैं। तो ये रन नहीं होगा, क्यों, क्योंकि हमारे ने आई की वैल्यू को नहीं लिया हुआ है। तो टोकन्स एक बार देख लेते हैं, टोकन्स प्लस है तो प्लस, माइनस डिवीजन, इफ -1 -2 एलिमेंट 3 एलिमेंट -1 -2 -1 -2 and element will become minus. Now I have to insert here element 3. Now what it is, token is not defined. Where is token, token कहीं पर तो हुआ था, टोकन कहाँ है, डिड यू मीन टोकन, लाइन नंबर 8 पे है क्या कहीं, yes. So let's try to run. So where is the problem here, क्या बोला गया, multiply is not valid value for expected return type integer. Okay, so I have to return here stack of -1. Okay, so if it does not equals to plus, does not equals to minus, does not equals to multiplication, does not equals to divide, then append that particular value, otherwise call this one. Yeah, so that will become element 3 here. Now let's try to run. I hope so it will run this time. So it is not running, it is giving me something else. Why so, element 1 element 2 element 2 divided by element 1, it is true, it is not true, it is true, it is not true, and it is true. Now this one, okay, this one. So we have performed, I hope so I am doing correct, but still let's print the stack and see what's the value are getting stored in our stack. So first I am storing here 10, then I'm storing here 6, then I'm storing here 9, then we have a 3, so 9 plus 3 it will become 12. Now 12, now it will become minus 132. Now this will become 10. Now 6 divided by 132, now it's become 1, but here I have to give here 0. So why it is happening, element 2 divided by element 1. Okay, so that is happening because I have to change this value to absolute value, because if it is negative, so we are not changing it to positive. Now let's try to submit directly. I hope so it will run fine this time, so there is no issue. ओके, आउटपुट लिमिट एक्सीड हो रही है, क्यों हो रही है? बिकॉज मैंने स्टैक को कमेंट नहीं किया था. सो इट हैज़ बीन रन फाइन. I hope this is clear. We are going to only once time, so this is big O of 1 and we are using extra space, so the time and space both are big O of n. I hope this is clear. If you like the video, please like the content, please like the channel, subscribe and comment as well. Bye bye guys, I will meet in the next video with the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.